You turn on your heater, but it stays cold. No warmth, no comfort, just frustration. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem yourself in just 2 minutes without calling a plumber and save a lot of money. In 98% of cases, the problem comes down to one of two simple reasons. Wrench step 1. Check the thermostat valve. First, take a close look at your thermostat. Turn it all the way to the highest setting. Now at the back, loosen this nut right here. Use a pair of water pump pliers and turn it to the left. Once it's loose, you can unscrew the rest by hand and remove the thermostat head completely. Now you'll see this small metal pin. This is a valve pin. How the valve works, important. Normally, this pin is pressed inward. When you turn the thermostat from level 1 to 5, the pin moves outward. The higher the setting, the further it comes out. This opens a heating circuit, allowing hot water to flow into the radiator, making it warm. But if this pin is stuck, which often happens when a heater hasn't been used for months, especially after summer, then hot water can't flow in. How to free a stuck valve pin? There are two simple options. First, take a solid object, like a hammer. Gently press straight against the pin. Warning important. Never pull the pin out. You could damage the valve. If the pin still doesn't move, use a little WD-40. Spray it lightly, wait a few minutes, and try again. In most cases, this will get the valve moving freely again. Once it moves smoothly, screw the thermostat back on in the opposite direction. Step 2. Bleed the radiator if it's still cold. If the radiator is still cold, the problem is likely trapped air. First, turn the thermostat to level 5. Then switch off the circulation pump or the entire heating system. This stops the water flow and allows air to collect at the top of the radiator. Wait about 30 minutes, releasing the trapped air. Now go to the opposite side of the radiator with a small container. A cup works fine. Locate the bleed valve. Using a radiator key or a screwdriver, slowly open the valve. You'll hear air escaping. Keep it open until water starts coming out. As soon as water flows steadily, close the valve. The air is now fully removed. Don't forget to turn the circulation pump or heating system back on. Now your radiator should be warming up again. Finally, check the pressure in your heating system. You can see this on the manometer on your main heating unit. If the pressure is too low, you'll need to add water, and I explain exactly how to do that in another video, which you can see on your screen now. Click it and watch it next.